Hello and welcome back to our channel where we provide you with the latest recommendations and evaluations of tech products. And in today's video, we're going to talk about the various PSVR2 charging terminals that cost less than $45. After conducting extensive research across the internet, our team has identified the best 5 charging stations available for less than $45 that are compatible with the PSVR2. So without further delay, let's get right into the list. And first is Controller Fast Charging Station for PSVR2. Unfortunately, it appears that this item is presently out of stock, but if you can get your hands on one, it's well worth the $35 investment. The magnetic connector is one of the charging accessories' standout characteristics. It makes charging your controller simple, and the magnet is powerful enough to hold the controller in place while charging. The LED display is another fantastic feature. It notifies you when your controller is charging and when it is fully charged, allowing you to keep track of your battery life without continuously checking your controller. The accessory also includes a USB charging cable that is long enough to reach your console without having to sit directly next to it. Overall, I would suggest the controller charging accessories with a magnetic connector without reservation. It's a well-made product that does precisely what it should, and it's well worth the money. Next on the list, we have VR2 Charging and Storage Stand for PlayStation. This station charges, displays, and stores your PlayStation 5 VR2 joystick, VR headset, and PS5 headphone. Its $45 price and data sharing features save time and effort. This charger stand sells because it fully charges your PSVR2 touch gamepad in 1.5 hours. The touch controller must be put in the charging slot to be charged via magnetic Type-C. The base's central LED indicator emits orange while charging and blue when fully charged. The stand's alternative ports hold 2 magnetic connectors. Another great feature is the dock's central RGB light column. It has a gradient, a flash, and 7 colors. The charging process is separate from the light switch, which retains the last light effect even when power is off. Use a USB 2.0 cable to transmit data from the PS5's USB 3.0 connection to the base. The box contains the VR2 charging stand, 4 magnetic Type-C charging connectors, a USB-A to USB-C charger wire, and user guide. Unfortunately, the PSVR2 Sense controller, VR headgear, and adapter are not included. For our number 3, we have Trepro Charging Station. This charging dock is an essential accessory for anyone who owns a PlayStation VR2 controller. It can charge 2 controllers at the same time, and it only takes 3 to 4 hours to fully charge them and is only worth $26. The 4 Type-C magnetic clasp makes this charging dock stick out. The charger port has magnetic clasps for easy use. The magnetic clip goes into the controller's charging port and aligns with the charging base. Micro suction holds the base plug for safe charging. This charging dock's LED indicator light is great too. When charging, the light flashes red and green. The stable desk base prevents exterior forces from tipping or sliding your controllers. 4 non-slip mats on the bottom hold it. This charging device is compact and portable. At number 4, we have Trepro Charging Station. This charging dock is specifically designed for the PlayStation VR2 grip and functions not only as a charging dock but also as a VR grip stand. It takes only 3 to 5 hours to completely charge your VR grips and has a stable and safe charging mode for $22. It also has LED charging indicators, and when you insert the PlayStation VR2 controllers into the charging slots, the charging indicators on the base illuminate. This PSVR2 charger station also has 4 Type-C magnetic clasps that work flawlessly with the VR charging base's 2 magnetic charging ports. The charging base, USB to Type-C charging cable, and 4 magnetic charging terminals are all included in the box. And finally comes a 3-in-1 charging dock stand for PlayStation. You can power your PSVR2 headset, your touch controllers, and your VR headset stand with this dock for only $29. The lightning fast charging is arguably the most useful aspect of this dock. Charging the PSVR2 Touch gamepad is a quick process that takes only 1.5 hours and eliminates the need to constantly reconnect and detach the device from its power source. The charging station is built to protect your VR headset and controllers from overcharging, overcurrent, overheating, short circuits, and more, and is ready to go in just a few easy steps with all the necessary accessories included. And the optics are protected from scratching by the vertical stance design. So there you have it, the best charging stations under $45 for PSVR2. Which one would you like to buy? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on the world of technology and magic. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.